So today we are doing chapter 13 of Applied Mathematics ML Agarwal, Growth and Depreciation. We are doing the first question, and the question is Mrs. Vandana invested 35,000 in a share of a company and reinvested the earnings every year in buying the share of the same company. At the end of 5 years, the value of share increased to 56,000. Calculate the compound annual growth rate of her investment. So in this, we are using the formula CAGR, which is compound annual growth rate, future value upon present value, number of years, so we are putting the figures. 56,000 upon present value is 35,000. It's 5 years. After dividing it, we get 1.6, 1 by 5 minus 1, and the anti-log of 1.6. First of all, we have to find the log and then anti-log. So we get 0.098, 1.098 minus 1, which is 0.098. We have to find the percentage, so we are multiplying it by 100, so we get 9.8%. Now the second question is Mr. Rohit invested 5,000 in a fund at the beginning of year 2021, and by the end of year his investment was worth 9,000. Next year market crashed and he lost 3,000 and ending with 6,000 at the end of year 2022. Next year, that is 2023, he gained 4,500 and ending up 10,500 at the end of the year. Find CAGR of his investment. So we are using the same formula here. CAGR is equals to future value upon present value minus 1. After dividing it, we get 2.1, 1 by 3 minus 1. This value is given 1.2805, so we are directly putting it minus 1, which gives us 2.2805, and we have to find the percentage. So 0.2805 multiplied by 100, which gives 28.05%. I hope you all understand. Now move to the third question. Bhandari invested 10,000 in a portfolio with return given below. From April 1, 2012 to March 31, 2013, portfolio grew to 12,000. From April 1, 2013 to March 31, 2014, portfolio grew to 12,500. From April 1, 2014 to March 31, 2015, portfolio grew to 13,800. On March 31, 2016, the portfolio ended with 18,000. Calculate the compound annual growth rate portfolio. Same question. We have to calculate the CAGR using the same formula. Future value upon present value, and the time is 4 years, so 1 by 4 minus 1. After dividing it, we get 1.8, and the anti-log, finding the log and anti-log, we get 1.158 minus 1, which is 0.158 into 100, which gives us 15.8%. Now fourth question is, Mr. Tripathi invested 10,000 in a company's fund. His yearly investment values are shown in the table given below. Again, we are using the same formula. This is the present value and this is the future value. So we are directly putting it in the formula, which is, this is the future value and this is the present value. Year is 3 years, 1, 2 and 3, minus 1. So dividing it, we get 0.94, 1 by 3 minus 1, and finding the log and anti-log, we get 0.9796 minus 1, which is 0.0205 minus, and after the multiplication of 100, we get minus 2.05%. Now fifth question. Mr. Kumar has invested 20,000 in year 2014 for 5 years. If CAGR for that investment turned out to be 11.84%, what will be the end value? So here we are using the different formula. Future value is equals to present value 1 plus r power n. So after putting, because we have to find the future value, 20,000, 1 minus 1 plus 0.1184. This 0.1184 gets from this 11.84%. After calculating it, 20,000 into 1.11845, 20,000 into 1.75 is equals to the value which we get is 35,000. Sixth question. Mr. Naresh has bought 200 shares of City Look Company at 100 each in 2015. After selling them, he has received 30,000, which accounts for 22.47% CAGR. Calculate the number of year which was holding the share. So using the same formula, we get 1.5 minus 1, 1.084 minus 1, 0.084, and after multiplying it by 100, we get 8.4%. Seventh question is, a startup company invested 3 lakh in shares for 5 years. The value of this investment was 3,50,000 at the end of second year, 3,80,000 at the end of third year, and on maturity the final value stood at 4,50,000. Calculate the compound annual growth rate on the investment given that 1.5 1 by 5 is equals to 1.084. Same, we are using the same formula. This is the future value, 1000 upon, this is the present value, 3 lakh, 1 by 5 minus 1. After dividing it, we get 1.5, 1 by 5 minus 1, 1.084 minus 1, 0.084 into 100, we get 8.4%. Now the eighth question is, assume an investment starting value is 20,000 and it grows to 50,000 in 3 years. Calculate CAGR. So we are using the same formula here. This is the future value and this is the present value. and it is for 3 years. After dividing it, we get 2.5. 1 by 3 minus 1. So this value is given 1.355 minus 1, 0.355. So it's 35.5%. Now the ninth question is, the population of a town increases for 75,000 to 125,000 over a period of time if the compound annual growth rate is 5%. Calculate the number of complete years it will take for the population to grow from 75,000 to 1,25,000. So one lakh 25,000, 75,000. We don't know the year, so 1 upon n minus 1. Then after dividing it, we get 1.6, 1 by n minus 1, and this minus, oh, this is equals to, now 0.05 plus 1 is equals to 1.6, 1 upon n. So it is 1.05 is equals to 1.6, 1 upon n. So the value of 1.05 is 0.021 and it is 1.67. Sorry, it is 1.67. So 0.223. So after dividing it, we get 11 years. So the exercise is completed. Thank you for watching. I hope you all understand. Thank you.